Hi, my name is Sachin and I am the CEO and co-founder of Indus Intel. We created a scalable performance analysis solution for industrial IoT space that helps factory managers to improve floor efficiencies and optimize the costs. In manufacturing, downtime is a critical factor that impacts delivery. 82% of manufacturing facilities experience at least 8 hours of downtime, resulting in an average $2 million loss and up to 24% reduction in customer satisfaction. Every floor manager wants to maximize their asset utilization. Using effective system, factories can improve their efficiencies by 10 to 30%. And also, enhancing traceability and finding quality issues just in time help reduce the sizes of product recalls. Today, there are many IT solutions that offer disjoint components. These assemble yourself and interpret as you like solutions are not working for the customers. Customers are looking for reliable, turnkey IoT systems that drive business outcomes. Factories are complex environments with multiple lines, various types of machines, and multiple vendors. Not every machine is connected or provide data. Yet, factory managers want comprehensive coverage of all the critical assets to drive the goals such as increase efficiency, grow capacity, and reduce cost. Our solution, MachineScope, is an industrial IoT platform for monitoring performance and analysis. MachineScope converges data from OT and IT and builds digital twins of industrial assets. It is easy to deploy, customize, and integrate with. Our differentiation is the solution that digitizes any machine. This patent-pending solution listens to the electricity flow, temperature, and vibration patterns and learns those patterns to create fingerprints of machine actions. Once the training is complete on the fingerprints, then the algorithm goes and continuously monitor KPIs and find any anomalies. Finding anomalies just in time helps in focus quality checks and also improves the traceability of a low quality batch to a particular machine and the reason. We are focusing on manufacturing because it's a large market that can get significant benefit from effective IoT systems. The relevant market will be $1.8 billion in 2020, and we can immediately target $200 million market in USA. Our competition includes vendor systems that support their own machines, point solutions that support fixed setup use cases and large corporate platforms. MachineScope offers flexible solution at reasonable price with the next generation technology to digitize any machine in a non-intrusive manner. We work with our customers closely. In our recent 3 POCs in 24/7 production environment, MachineScope identified very key insights for the customers in 1 week of deployment. The insights include tool cost optimization as well as the anomalies in the production sizes in various shifts. 3 of us work together at Cisco for 10 plus years. We all love working in industrial IoT space, and we have committed our full time for this venture. To productize the solution and to ramp up the operations, we are looking for $1.2 million investment from investors who can also help us with the strategic partnerships. Thank you.